Do you want to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to a Wi-Fi network or change the Wi-Fi that it's currently connected to? Then here's how to do it. First of all, from the home screen, open System Settings, then select Internet from the left panel. Go to Internet Settings, give it a few seconds to load, and now you'll need to find your home Wi-Fi name. If you don't find it, you can try searching it again by pressing Y. Now, select your Wi-Fi network and carefully enter the password. Then press OK or the plus button. Now it will check the connectivity, and if everything's okay, you'll see connection successful. Now you just need to press OK, and your Switch 2 is successfully connected to a Wi-Fi network. And in the future, if you want to change your Wi-Fi, just go to the Internet Settings once again, and following the same process, connect to a different Wi-Fi. Then you'll be able to switch between your Wi-Fi networks very easily with just 2 taps. And that's all there is to it. Hope this helped, and enjoy.